Polycom Studio is equipped with a next-generation 4K camera, complete with 5x zoom and 120-degree field of view, meaning you can see just about everything. That's why Polycom's unique automatic camera framing is so important. With automatic framing, you'll see just enough.
Let's take a look at the presenter tracking feature on Poly Studio. So I'm an instructor in a classroom. There are students here in the class with me who are spread out. They're wearing masks and I'm wearing a mask for protection. And we also have more students on the far end over video. Now, as an instructor, sometimes I'm not comfortable with video, with being able to teach the way I want to, because I'm afraid if I get up and move, I'm gonna be off camera. Either I don't have a tracking camera system at all, or I've got one that moves too slow and I'm afraid I'm gonna get out of the field of view. The great thing about Poly Studio with presenter tracking is I can be confident that I can get up and walk around the room. Maybe I want to come over to this whiteboard to be able to write something, or I want to come over to my virtual interactive whiteboard and annotate or share some content. Or maybe I just want to pace around a little bit and be more mobile and active while I'm teaching, because it's a more natural fit for my style rather than having to stay locked down in my chair all the time. And this is one of the great benefits of this presenter tracking feature on Poly Studio.
Eumecon and authorized partners for Polycom, where we keep stocks for quick implementation as per the customer's needs. We have started selling in many leading schools in UAE. Eumecon has designed affordable payment option and its flexible financing advantages to give you control over your budget. Call us or visit our website eumecon.com for more information.